Hi, let us discuss number systems. A number system consists of numerals or digits and place values. To understand the concept of number systems, let us begin with an example. Let us suppose say the digit 5. The value of this number is 5. Why? Because we commonly use a decimal number system and we assume that a number given to us is in decimal number system. Now, behind this number 5, if we add a 0, then the value of this number 50 becomes 50. Not just because we are adding a 0 behind it, the logic behind this is that 50 can be written as 5 into 10 plus 0 into 1. This 1 is the place value of 0 while this 10 is the place value of 5. This is equal to 50 plus 0 which is equal to 50. To understand this better, let us take a number where 0 is not there. Suppose 2, 3. This can be written as 2 into 10, the place value of 2, plus 3 into 1, the place value of 1, which is equal to 20 plus 3 and hence 23. Now, this is all in decimal number system which has a base of 10, and that is why the first digit in decimal number system carries a weight of 1, while the second digit in a decimal number system carries 10 times more weight, and that is why it is multiplied by 10 as the place value. The face value of this digit is 2, the face value of this digit is 3. That is called as face value. But that face value is multiplied by a place value, and a place value gives the real value to a numeral. If this 2 is reversed with 3 here and it becomes 3, 2, then the same number carries a value of 3 into 10 plus 2 into 1 is equal to 32. All this looks very simple because we use it in our day-to-day life. But suppose the base of the number system is changed from 10 to say 8, which is the real case in octal number systems. That is octal number system. In octal number system, since the base is 8, if I write 2, 3 in octal number system, then the value or the weight of this number will be calculated by 3 again into 1 plus 2 into 8 times the place value of the previous number. It will be 8 times. So it will become 2 into 8 is 16 plus 3 into 1 is 3, which is equal to 19. So basically 19 in octal number system is written as 2, 3, while 19 in decimal number system is written as 1, 9. So this is equal to 1 into 10 plus 9 into 1, which is equal to 10 plus 9 and hence 19. To understand this better, let us take one more number system. Another famous number systems are, one is called binary. Binary is a very simple number system consisting of only two literals, that is 1 and 0. Generally, all the number systems like decimal, its all place values get multiplied by 10 over the previous place value. If this place value is 1, the other will be 10, the other will be 100, the other will be 1000 and so on, multiplied by 10 over the previous one. Also, decimal has 10 literals from 1 to 9 and 0. These are 9 plus 1. 10 literals are used in decimal number system. While binary has a base of 2, binary number system has a base of 2 and uses two literals, 1 and 0. Let us discuss binary number system here. For example, to understand things. Suppose in binary, since I can use only two literals, 1 and 0, let us write a number 101. In decimal, definitely the value of this number is 101 because 1 is to be multiplied by place value 100 plus 0 is to be multiplied by place value 10 plus 1 is to be multiplied by place value 1, which will give me 100 plus 1 and hence the value 101. But the same 101 which was written in decimal number system here, when it is written in binary number system like 101, then the value of this number will be calculated as this one at the extreme right will be multiplied by 1 plus 0 will be multiplied by the base of binary, that is 2, plus this one at the extreme left will be multiplied by again 2 into the place value of this, that is 4. So the total number will be 4 plus 0 plus 1, which will give me 5. So in binary number system, 5 is written as 101. Now, how to frame numbers in various number systems? To understand numbers, how numbers will be formed, like binary number systems, we are not very used to. Suppose you want to write some number in binary number system, 8, 9, 11, 13. So how do we go about it? To understand that, it is very easy to visualize a meter system on a bike or on a vehicle. Suppose it can have 4 digits. So when this box, the extreme right digit, when all the literals of the number system are exhausted here, after that this digit increases by 1. The increment in this digit is by 1. And to see this, let us take an example. Suppose when a new bike is purchased, the meter reading is 0001. And naturally, in our common world, we are using decimal number system. So this 0001, as the bike starts moving, the milometer will show as 0001. Then it will show as 0002 and so on, and it will go up to 9. Beyond 9, we have exhausted all the 10 literals or the 10 numerals that are used in a decimal number system. So again, after 9 comes 0. But since all the numerals here have been utilized, but here we were using only one numeral, so this numeral will increase by 1 and hence comes the number 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 10. But here still remains 0, 0. Then this 0 again continues this journey from 1, 2 and up to 9. The same this journey here, and here it stays 1. While here it stays 0 and so on up to 0. Now here we have 19. Now since again we have exhausted here all the numerals, so here again comes 0 and this one is incremented by 1 more, which gives me 2. So comes 20, 20. Similarly, if we keep going on, we get, I'm continuing here, we get from 0020 up to, if we keep on continuing, we get up to 99 in the similar fashion, 0099. After this, since again we have exhausted in this digit, in this place value, all the numerals, so again here comes 0 and this one gets incremented by 1. But here also we have exhausted on this place value, second one, we have exhausted all the numerals and so here also comes 0. Now this time, this place value gets incremented by 1 and hence comes 100. Similarly, this is how decimal number system works. Similarly, suppose we want to write in binary number system. Why we are interested in binary and hexadecimal such number system so much? Because computer programming uses extensively binary number systems and hexadecimal number systems. So let us see how binary number system works. It's very interesting and very easy also. Binary number system, let us start a 3-digit binary number system with all the 3 zeros. Then naturally, after this 0, next incremental counter will come as 1. So here we'll stay with 0, 0. Now, since we have exhausted both the literals, only 2 literals can be used in binary number system. Since we have exhausted both the literals, So next here again 0 will repeat and this place value will be incremented by 1. This will stay as 0. Again for this combination we will take the remaining literal, which is again 1. Again we have exhausted both the literals, so it will end here and again 0 will come. Now since we will increment this by 1, but on this place value also we have exhausted both the literals, so this 1 will again, the counter will restart at 0 and these zeros will be incremented by 1. Hence the numbers go like here. The 3 digits are completely exhausted. If we see properly, the first place value in binary number system was 1, second place value was 2, third place value was 4. The place values of these digits which are in binary number system, these are called bits. These bits have place values of 1, 2 and 4 respectively. If we see properly, the total number of numbers that can be formed with 3 bits in a binary number system are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Because this is the place value 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7 and the number 0, which forms 8. Now how to write these numbers fast, quick and in an easy method? We can see the frequency of zeros and ones in the very first place value is 1. That is, after every literal it changes 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. While on the second place value, after every 2 it changes 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. While on the next place value it changes after double of it. That is 4, 4 times 0, then 4 times 1. So it becomes very easy to write, though it is only a quick solve method. It should not be used, but it is very easy to write. And hence done. Thank you.